Impact window installation is essential for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's safety and energy efficiency. In Kendall, Impact Windows Kendall provides superior storm protection, ensuring your home remains secure during severe weather conditions. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, making them a crucial investment for residents in hurricane-prone areas. Window glass replacement is a vital service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. In Kendall, window glass replacement services offer a range of options, from single-pane to double-pane windows, ensuring improved insulation and energy efficiency. Upgrading your home with Impact Windows Kendall can significantly reduce energy costs and enhance long-term comfort. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy bills. In Kendall, energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Choosing Impact Windows Kendall ensures not only energy efficiency but also added durability and protection. Storm protection windows are a must-have for residents in areas prone to severe weather. In Kendall, storm protection windows provide an added layer of security, safeguarding your home against hurricanes and other natural disasters. By selecting Impact Windows Kendall, homeowners benefit from maximum storm resilience and peace of mind. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. In Kendall, window frame installation services address issues such as rot, warping, and damage, ensuring your windows remain functional and aesthetically pleasing. Pairing new frames with Impact Windows Kendall extends the life of your home's protective systems. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. In Kendall, double-pane windows are designed with 2 layers of glass, creating a barrier that reduces heat transfer and outside noise. When combined with Impact Windows Kendall, they provide unmatched durability and comfort. Window sealing services are essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. In Kendall, window sealing services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, reducing air leakage and enhancing insulation. Sealing Impact Windows Kendall further strengthens your home's protection against harsh weather. Custom window solutions offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their windows to suit their unique style and needs. In Kendall, custom window solutions include a variety of design options, materials, and finishes, allowing you to create the perfect look. Opting for custom Impact Windows Kendall provides both beauty and superior protection. Hurricane-resistant windows are a critical investment for homeowners in hurricane-prone areas. In Kendall, hurricane-resistant windows are designed to withstand the impact of flying debris and high winds. Installing Impact Windows Kendall ensures your property and family remain safe during storms. Window upgrade services are available for homeowners looking to enhance the performance and appearance of their windows. In Kendall, window upgrade services include options such as energy-efficient glass, improved sealing, and modern hardware. Adding Impact Windows Kendall guarantees both enhanced style and maximum durability. For residents seeking top-notch Impact window installation in Kendall, our services offer unparalleled storm protection windows and energy-efficient windows. Our window installation services in Kendall ensure that your home is equipped with hurricane-resistant windows, providing peace of mind during stormy seasons. With Impact Windows Kendall, you can choose from a variety of window style options to match your home's aesthetic while enhancing its safety features. Window glass replacement in Kendall is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our window glass installation and window glass replacement services ensure that your windows remain in pristine condition. Whether you need double-pane windows or window sealing services, our team also specializes in Impact Windows Kendall, offering comprehensive protection and efficiency. For those interested in window upgrade services, our window design consultation in Kendall provides expert advice on the best window style options for your home. Our window hardware replacement and window tinting services add both functionality and style. By including Impact Windows Kendall, we ensure you enjoy both modern design and storm safety. Window frame installation and window leak installation are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window installation services in Kendall address any issues promptly, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. Installing Impact Windows Kendall along with frame upgrades ensures total protection and longevity. Understanding window replacement cost in Kendall is important for budgeting your home improvement projects. Our team provides transparent pricing and detailed estimates for all window installation services. Whether you're considering residential window replacement or Impact Windows Kendall, we offer competitive pricing and superior results. For those in Kendall seeking residential impact windows, our selection of hurricane windows and storm protection windows offers the ultimate in safety and durability. Our energy-efficient windows in Kendall not only reduce your energy bills but also enhance your home's comfort. Choosing Impact Windows Kendall combines efficiency with unmatched storm resistance. Window design and window style options in Kendall are vast, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to suit their preferences. Our window design consultation services help you select the perfect windows for your home, ensuring both functionality and aesthetic appeal. With Impact Windows Kendall, you can combine beauty, efficiency, and safety in one solution. In Kendall, window maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your windows. Our window maintenance services include regular inspections and installations to keep your windows in top condition. Maintaining Impact Windows Kendall ensures long-lasting performance and dependable protection. For those looking to enhance their home's safety, our window safety features in Kendall provide added security and peace of mind. Our residential window installation and window upgrade services ensure that your windows are not only functional but also secure. Incorporating Impact Windows Kendall ensures the highest level of home safety and comfort.